I'm walking in nature, beautiful nature. This is the type of things I like. Outdoor, fresh air, fresh, everything just look fresh and it's raining. As you can see, my viewers, the plants them wet, you can hear birds, all manner of things you can hear. Welcome to my channel. Each and every viewer worldwide, nice seating areas, lots of tropical plants. You can see all those palms all over. Chocolate. You have guango tree. There are so many different trees here next guango here. Birds all around. Welcome to paradise. So many beautiful plants. Saw a nutmeg tree there over there. Nutmeg. Touch. That's touch. Whoa. This garden is so beautiful. So beautiful. So wow. This is paradise at its best. Whoa. Look at this stream, my viewers. Please give this video a like, my viewers, and continue to watch this video to the end. I'm fascinated with nature. So fascinated. I'm showcasing my viewers them and my fans them all over the world. This beautiful country of Jamaica. So beautiful. We just like to see streams. Anything named water. I'm fascinated with all these type of small streams. So beautiful here. So pretty. Take just these look at everything and observe carefully, my viewers. I am walking in paradise. Walking in beautiful stream. Such beauty. The garden parish have so many water here. Whoa, these fish, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, we like it. Come on, man. I wish I did have something like that at my home. Woo! Look how beautiful they are. My viewers. So beauty. Wow, a lot of treasure. These are treasure. Look here. Oh my. I love them. Look all them at that little water fountain inside the middle. Look over there, my viewers. Look. You see? Banana. Tropical paradise. Welcome everyone who are watching this video right now. You're gonna receive some positive vibration and positive energy just by watching this video. It's like a therapy to you. It's a healing video. By just looking at these plants, gonna bring like a therapy